Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Yard Abroad with Erica, the Jamaican style on Facebook. And so, guys, I'm gonna do some preparing to cook. I'm gonna make some baked potato, some asparagus, and some cabbage with chicken breast and some corn. That's what's on the menu for today. And how are you guys doing, guys? I pray that you all are doing well. As for myself, I'm doing perfectly fine. And so, guys, right now, as I said, we're gonna do some baked potato, some asparagus, some cabbage with chicken. I have a pack of chicken breast curry chicken breast, guys. I get a pack of curry chicken breast from my pantry, and so I'm gonna use it today. You know, curry is something you have to be careful with. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook over this chicken because I want to make sure that the curry cook good. And then after that, I'm gonna chop up, cut up some cabbage and add to it, you know. So guys, thank you all my subscribers, my beautiful subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel. I just wanted to know that I appreciate you subscribing, and for all my genuine people who are comment on the comment section and thumbing up the channel. Guys, thank you so much. I just wanted to know that I appreciate you for all your comments and for your positive vibes. And for those of you who like to leave negative vibes, please, this channel is about positivity and learning. So if you have your negativity, keep it to yourself. Right? This is not from a genuine supporter who support the channel and I big up the channel and I comment positive vibe. This is for the persons who like to come in my comment section and leave negativity. Every man cook differently, so if you not like what me I do over here, you know what to do. All right, so guys, thank you so much, my people, for commenting, you know, and for subscribing. And if you come across this video, guys, you like the videos, subscribe to the channel and help me to grow, guys. I'm almost 400. Yeah, I think I'm almost at 400 subscribers. So guys, help me to grow, guys. I want to reach to 1,000 subscribers, guys, in the next couple of months, or less than a month. In the month of September, I want to get to 1,000 subscribers. So guys, subscribe to the channel and help me to grow. So right now, guys, I'm going to turn around my video. And I have to apologize, guys. I'm trying out a new way of, editing my video. And so I'm doing this editing thing from my phone. Once you do it, you put the music on and it implanted in the video, and so you cannot turn down the video again. So I'm learning a new way, and so I will know how now to turn on the volume and the music that is downloading so it don't overpower my voice. All right, guys, so sorry about that for the past 2 or 3 videos that the music is too high. And you know, that's how we go, guys. We are learning this thing. So right now I'm gonna go clean my potato, then wash them and get them ready to put in the pot. Before I bake my potato, guys, I wash them and I boil them a little bit so that they won't take forever in the oven. You boil them and you season them up with little oil and stuff, and put it in the oven after that. So guys, I'm gonna turn around the video so you can see the rest. Okay, guys, so this is my potato, my Idaho potato, guys. Some of them spoiled and I don't know. Ow. So this is not that bad, but let's see. This definitely not good. All right, let's go over there. So guys, these potatoes so dirty. Hey. Alright, guys, so the first thing I'm gonna go through my potato. If you see bad pieces on the potato, you just cut it off. Guys, you know how the system go. These things sometimes get damaged during the process, so this one is not that bad. Well, the only problem is this potato dirty bad, guys. So now I'm gonna have to wash and scrub them. So first I'm gonna go through the potato. Let me put those over there, the one that I cleaned already. I'm gonna put them in my bowl on the other side of the sink. Yeah. And they get bruised. So and then I'm gonna soak now. Let me put some water in my bowl. I hope this bowl. Put some water in the bowl, guys, and soak them a little bit. So when I'm ready, I just scrub them. Yes, guys, just scrub your potato. If you're cooking the potato with the skin, scrub them, scrub them, scrub them. Don't just run the water on them, guys. Use something to scrub it. No, guys, do I have time? I think I'm just gonna, oh gosh, I'm thinking I maybe just, all right, you know what, I'm gonna peel the potato because it's a lot of potato. Who have time to do that right now, guys? I just done clean up my kitchen and I'm tired, so I'm just gonna peel them, blanch them. All right, peel them and blanch them, and then where's my other knife? This knife is too big. Peel them and blanch them. As soon as the pot boil up for a couple minutes, pour them out and season them up and put them in the oven. Yeah man. So I will be back, guys, once I finish peeling this potato. And guys, if you're watching the video to this point, please comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to put your notification bell on, so when I upload a video, you will get it. And guys, remember, it's positive vibes over here. Please don't leave negative comments. If you don't have anything good to say, I'd rather you don't say anything, right? Guys, you must be careful, because some people just like trouble. They just like confusion. So they just go from channel to channel and have negativity in the people them video, including mine. So guys, don't leave any negative comment. You know, just leave positive stuff. Because if you watch a video, you must see something in it you like. And if you see something you like, you comment on the positive. Don't comment on the negative. Right? Alright guys, so I'm gonna finish peeling this potato. And I will be back. Okay guys, so guys, a lot of the potato them was not 100% good. See? And so I have to use a whole bag and a half a potato to get what I want. And see, this one is not even good. If it was early summer, early spring, I would have planted these, you know. I could have planted them and get potato. But it's too late now to plant these and get potato. Yeah. Alright guys, so now I have my asparagus. I put my water to boil for this. I put the water to boil. I put the water to boil for the potato. So now I'm just gonna cut them up and get them ready to go in the water. And then I'll come back and do the corn. Oh no, maybe, hold on. Let me set this right here and just cut the potato. I'm cutting them in two. Yeah. I'll cut them in two. Yes, man. I just cut them in two. This one is big, so I cut it in four. I'm gonna ask my daughter to season these up when they finish cooking and ready to go in the oven. Right? Cut this in four. The small one, them guys, I'm just cutting them in two. I hope I don't have to cook tomorrow. I want to make some salad. Yeah. I'm gonna cook make some salad tomorrow. Yeah. Just wash them off. Get them ready to go in the pot. Alright guys, so in the pot I put some salt, and now the pot is almost boiling up, so I'm just gonna put the potato in. So let them cook for a couple of minutes, guys, not for a very long time, just maybe 5 minutes, because you don't want them to get soft. So I'm just gonna let this cook like 3-4 minutes, and then I'm gonna pour them out and season them up to go in the oven. Alright, guys, so the first thing, I'm gonna put some water in my bowl over here. I have some asparagus. So the asparagus, guys, always I try to cut, because some of them is not 100 fresh, so I'm just gonna cut off the top part. Yeah, cut off. Most of the time that's, oh, turn off the water. Let me see how tough. Oh, this one is not that bad. Yeah. Alright, let's break them. I was gonna cut them. Yeah. So you just break it. Yeah. This can be very tough. So you just break the greener part. Alright. This one not so bad. So just break off the greener part, guys. See right there, it's hard. Just right there. You right? You see how easy that break? So you just break it. Break off the hard part, see? Once you touch it, and it just, as you touch it, it break, you know, so you're doing the right thing. Yeah? Hold on, I need to bring up my camera a little bit. Whoa! Yeah, guys, so you just break off this part. As you touch it and it break, you know, it's soft. Just look for the greener part and break it off. This, guys, you have to be careful when you cook, so you don't overcook it. You don't overcook it. Hey. Yep. Right there. Right. This one is hard down there, so yeah, that's it. You know, I'm gonna wash these, put them in my strainer. I have some cabbage. I'm just gonna cut up the cabbage. Pour this water and put this on the side over here. Yeah, I'm gonna clean out this part. Guys, at first I said I was gonna steam the cabbage. No, I'm gonna just boil the cabbage, guys. So just cut off this part. Okay, so this cabbage, guys, I used it 3 times already. This was a huge cabbage. So I'm just gonna throw this in the sink. I'm gonna have to rinse. Oh, I have to rinse that over. So let's take out the heart. I always take out this part. Should I? Because it might break up. I'll take out. Yeah? Alright. And I'm gonna wash this. So I'm just gonna put this in a small pot and let it boil. Put the asparagus on top. That's rinse over there. Alright. Turn on the water. Rinse. So the cabbage is gonna go in first. Alright. Take out this. So we can put the cabbage over there and rinse them off one more time. Alright. I'm gonna turn off this water. I'm gonna carry the bowl with me to this. Oh! Alright, let's go put the cabbage. No! Guys, I didn't put the water to boil in for the cabbage. Alright. So let's put this on the side and then go do the corn. We're gonna clean the corn now. So I'm gonna clean the corn. Alright, guys, so let's do the corn. So the first thing you do is take off this, put water in the bowl, take off this part, take off the hair all these here, guys. So now, because this was already cut for a while, just chop it off. Yeah, chop that part off, guys. Don't chop your hand, please. Before, so you take a knife and you take the knife and cut it off the best way you know how. Chop off it. Yep. That's how much corn. Oh, 4 corn, guys. Oh, that's good. I'm gonna cut them in 2. Chop off it. Yeah. See, the corn is not good right here, so you're gonna cut this. That's it. You don't have to throw the corn. Cut them in 2. Get rid of the hair. Alright, we're gonna come back over here. Cut them in 2, guys, because I want everybody to get some. That's it. That's it. And now I'm gonna wash them and put them in the pot. Yeah. Make sure all the here. So guys, one thing with me, I don't put my corn with butter. Too much grease not good for your heart. And so most of the time when I cook, you know, I don't use a lot of grease because that's not good. So now I'm gonna go put some Maggi all-purpose seasoning in the pot. Oh, I forget. Oh guys, I can't put the Maggi in there again because I put there. Maybe I just put a little bit. Okay guys, I'm gonna put some Goya all-purpose seasoning in the pot for the corn, just for flavor. Over here I'm gonna do the cabbage. I'm just put a little all-purpose season in the pot. They have this one they call, I don't even like to say this word, but it tastes good, guys. Just put a little of it in the pot. And so I'm gonna put the corn, not the corn, I'm gonna put the cabbage. Yeah, I'm gonna put the cabbage first. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Put your notification bell on, so when you upload, you get it, guys. So right here, guys, the water is cold, so I can put my hand in there. My hand is clean. And I'm gonna put the asparagus on top so that it can steam. Because I don't want it to boil, I just want it to steam. Alright? So because this doesn't have season, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of the powder season on top of the asparagus. Right there. Alright. I'm gonna cover this to boil steam. There. And now I'm gonna put the corn in. Yes guys, some of my corn didn't get cut. 1. Alright. So now I'm gonna put the corn put the corn in to steam. Alright, so everybody can get 1 potato boiling. Alright, so I'm going to take out the potato soon because I don't want it to overcook. Let the corn cook and the potato boiling. So in the next couple of seconds, I think I'm going to put this on low. I don't want it to overcook over there. Alright guys, let's go back to getting the rest of stuff ready. Okay. So now guys, I'm going to pour out the potato. Woo! Hot! So now I'm going to let this cool down a little bit so we can season it up. Okay guys, so this is the bowl I'm gonna do the potato in. Wow guys, I think it's too much in the bowl, so maybe I'm gonna need another bigger bowl. Yep, definitely gonna need a bigger bowl. Girl, I'm sorry. Oh, no. Up what? Garlic and herb goes nice with it. Okay guys, so guys, if I tell you what happened to me, I'm here cooking up a storm and I have protein in the fridge. All I need to do is make my veggie and my baked potato and then I would have protein. But this protein is already, it was in my freezer. I defrost it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cook it down because it's curry chicken, store-bought curry chicken guys, and so I want to make sure the curry is cooked, and so I'm gonna just cook it down guys. I'm not gonna just eat it like that. I'm gonna cook it down, cook it up or cook it down. So I'm cutting up some tomato, I'm gonna cut up some sweet pepper, and I have some homemade green season in my fridge. I'm gonna use some of that with just watch the process guys. I tell you how long the chicken tastes seasoned, so I'm not sure. I'm gonna put some of this in my salad, the tomato. Yeah, I'm making some green salad also guys. If I didn't know that I have protein in the fridge, I wouldn't have go through all this to defrost this chicken, but that's okay. I'm just gonna cook it down. Yeah, just gonna cook it up, cook it down, whichever way you call it, because I want to make sure I get some gravy and make sure I have the curry that is on it is cooked, because they said it's like they glaze the chicken on the oven. Oh, not oven, guys, I forget the name that was on the bag. So like they put it on the grill curry chicken. Hey, definitely not eating it like that. So we're just gonna cut this up and cut up some onion. I already have some scallion and stuff that is, I'm not using oh Lord guys, I forget that I'm not using all the onion, because the one that is cut up, that is blend up, is already onion, so I don't need all that. But this curry chicken guys, I'm gonna put my own spin on it. Yeah, all right, so let's take out some of this tomato and sweet pepper for the salad, and then we're gonna cook down the onion and stuff. Put a little gravy, put the chicken in. Yeah, Alright guys, so let's get ready for the cook up this stuff. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put some annatto. Let's see. I need a strainer. Let me see. Yeah, I need a strainer. Hold on guys, let me get a strainer. This guys, so I put some annatto oil that I infuse. Put a little more oil in here. Yeah. And then I'm gonna add all the green seasoning. So guys, my potato is in the oven. I have it on air fry. So I'm doing the potato on air fry, guys. Alright. So now let's put a spin on this chicken. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some green seasoning that I made. I'm gonna add this first. I'm gonna put some garlic, homemade seasoning. But it's not homemade seasoning that I make, with ginger, scallion and thyme and garlic. I have to do this one. Yeah, this one spicy. That's another homemade seasoning. Alright, I'm gonna add my I have some pesto, so I'm gonna put some pesto in there. Alright, so I put some pesto. I'm gonna put some jerk sauce. This jerk sauce is from a restaurant. Spicy, yeah, very very spicy. Turn on my kettle and get some warm water to pour in here. Alright, so let this saute a little bit. I'm gonna put some cilantro, guys. I love cilantro. Yeah. The rest of it I'm gonna put it in my freezer. No, I'm gonna put it in the fridge. I haven't put it in the freezer because I don't want it to spoil. As I said, my matter over here, we don't waste anything. So let me taste this. Okay, it tastes good. Maybe I should put all of the cilantro, guys. This is a lot. You know what? Let me put all of the cilantro. Mix this up. Yeah. I love cilantro, guys. Tastes nice. Cilantro give your food a nice taste. Alright. So now let's put the chicken. So this is the chicken, guys. So put that over there. Put it right here. Right there. Right here. And so I'm gonna put this on top of it. Right there. And add right here. Let's turn it over. Oh, yep. Right there. Alright. Here is, oh my. Guys, I have more in the pot over here. No, I'm not gonna do all of that. I have a couple pieces left, guys. I'm gonna leave that. Because, you know, this is tomorrow. Yeah, I have like 5 pieces left. I'm not gonna put it in here. I'm just gonna put this and put some a little twip of boiling water in here so this can cook down and take on the seasoning that I put in here, because I want to make sure this curry that comes with this thing with the meat is cooked. Alright guys. So now my potato. The potato is in the oven and air fry, as I said. So now I'm gonna clean up and I will be back. Guys, now I'm gonna make some let my salad. This already washed off camera. I don't use stuff without washing it. Doesn't matter what the manufacturer says. If you allow me guys, even ground beef I wash. I used to wash it. But then after a while I realized it doesn't make sense. Alright. But all the lettuce will wash. Pick off the first layer and wash. So right now my potato is getting a little crunchiness to it using the air fryer and the oven. Yeah. I don't have any cucumber guys, so I'm just salad. It's just lettuce, tomato and bell pepper. Alright guys, let's check on this. Wow. Okay guys, so the thing is it need to boil down. Nice color, but you need to boil down some more to get gravy. I need the gravy to be a little bit thicker. It's too thin. See? But the thing about this is I am guaranteed that this curry and this chicken is fully cooked. Alright? So that's it. Go. Bring down the camera so you can see inside up close and personal. Yeah man. If you're still watching guys, please comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so there goes the potato, nice and brown. I don't want it I don't need it to be crunchier than this. Oh, I have to turn them over guys. I forget to turn them over. So that's one side already brown. So I'm gonna turn them over. Put them back in the air fry in the oven so the air fryer can do its thing. Guys, I forget I need to turn the potato over. Yeah, but what's this time the top nice and crunchy, guys. So I just learned this way to do potato. You don't need a lot of oil. You just need just enough to brown them. Alright, so the next time you see me guys, I will be plating the food. Guys, this video is already almost 40 minutes long. Let's see who is gonna watch this long video. Alright, if you're still watching, don't forget to comment, subscribe and share. Put your notification bell on so when I upload a video you will receive it. Alright, so that's it right here. Turn this already. Alright, so I'm gonna put this back in the oven. Alright, okay guys, so this is the potato all done. chicken finished, so let me turn off and let's show you guys what everything look like. Alright guys, so there goes the curry chicken. So that is finished. Finish. So let's turn off the stove. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. I know this video is a long video, but sorry about that. I try to make the video short, but sometimes it's not coming out that way. That's a cabbage and asparagus. That's the corn. Okay, that's corn. So guys, if you enjoy this video, please comment, subscribe and share. Alright, only drop positive comment, guys, no negative comment over here. Thank you. I like positive thinking, positive comments. So drop positive comment. So guys, I'm gonna plate my food because guys, I'm so hungry. Alright, even though this is a long video, but I'm gonna plate it to eat because I'm hungry. Yes guys, so here goes food. Nice. So that's it right there, the potato. Nice and crispy. Curry chicken breast, corn, cabbage and asparagus. Girl, guys, I think I'm tired. Asparagus, yeah. So that's it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I know this video is long, so I guess I'm gonna call it a cooking vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy and do have yourself a wonderful day. And remember that Jesus loves you and I do too. So you walk good and